Hello guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's me, Aina. It's me, May. And part 2 guys ng aming failed tulip.
And guys, Christmas season is about giving and receiving gifts. Kaya we decided to spend time together. Hindi din kasi kami nakakapag-banding masyado dahil parehas kaming may school. It means that parehas kaming busy sa academics and hindi tugma yung schedule namin. Dahil graduating na siya ng senior high and grade 9 na ako. It is a wonderful memory for us.
Oh, ayan guys, ano? Si Ali. Okay guys, salin mo na. Salin na! Huwag mo muna pala isalin ng bonggang-bongga. Like, wag lahat. Kasi papatong natin siya dito. Go. Pour it! Wait, dito na ba?
Huwag na muna natin ilagay.
Hindi pwede ilagay, guys. It's not.
But, make patuyo.
Need to dry muna. Need to dry it first.
Paano papatuyo?
Iintayin lang siya. Hayaan lang siya.
Lumagdag kasi I love you.
Grabe naman. Guys, hindi pa siya pwedeng ilagay. So, we're gonna make another video, maybe tomorrow or the other day para ma-stand. Kasi, kailangan pa siyang patuyuin, guys. Kapag nilagay namin siya ng ganitong basa, paghahalo ang kulay mari. Tingnan mo naman ang nilagay sa kamay ng babae. So, we're gonna make video again para ipakita sa inyo kapag tuyo na. That's all for today guys. If you like our video, don't forget to buy us a cup of Coke or coffee and see you next time. Bye!